Yes, 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 yes. But apart from that, I think we can proceed, ano? At mahaba-haba pa tong meeting natin.
Ayan, kanina pa ako gutom eh.
Reminding everyone in this team na it is important that we nail our numbers in the final chicken quarter of this year.
Ha? Wait lang. Gutom ba ako? Or chicken quarter talaga yung sinabi ni boss?
That's why I think it is important that the Shanghai rollout
Shanghai rolls? Ah,
Ideally,
for the guni-guni
end of
ka na.
September. I don't know if you notice, ano, pero even with all these new updates, it really boils down to bulalo. Do you agree?
Pag may tiyaga, may nilaga.
That's right. It's a low-hanging fruit salad.
Aha.
Madali nating magagawa yan. I just need to mention the net profit is looking
Although
good. Our client, Ms. Calamares, is I'm taking all the necessary steps to run this company. Do you need extra rice?
Garlic rice, boss, if meron.
No, Miss Beltran. I said, do you need extra people in your team?
Sinasabi mo, girl? Hala siya. Yes, boss. I can manage. We can manage.
Sari-saring sarap ba ang hanap? Mag-grab food to satisfy your sari-saring sarap cravings. Starts at 99. You can also stock promos on the app para mas maraming discount.
Parang bet mag-Japanese
Beltran.
food.
Miss Beltran!
Girl, ang sakit talaga ng ulo ko. Alam mo yung parang may pumipitik-pitik. Hala ka, girl. Ganyan nangyari sa pinsan ko eh. Ayun, wala na siya dito ngayon. Oh, girl. Nasa Canada na. Doon siya namatay.
Ate, bakit po ikaw ang nagla-live, hindi si Santa? Busy kasi si Santa. Nasa Batangas siya ngayon. Nag-open kami ng bagong location. Kaya watch out kayo doon. May mga bago tayong campaigns. Participate kayo doon para naman malipat na kayo sa nice list next year. Sis, anong lip tint mo? Ito sis. Ang ganda, no? Ito siya sis. Sobrang ganda. Link ko na lang sa baba. Ito din yung gamit ni Rudolph, kaya siya red nose. Ate, bakit po nasa naughty list ako? At Rika Babe 22, be, ang hiningi mo ba naman kay Santa is 6'2" na chinitong nangi-headlock. Malamang nasa naughty list ka talaga. Maghunos dili ka. That's true. And by the way, guys, may important announcement tayo. We are experiencing a budget cut, a major budget cut this year. Kaya medyo dahan-dahan tayo sa mga wishlist. Apple Watch 8 lang po. Gebe, pag-pray mo. Sabi lang na walang budget eh. Pag di NMAX, wag na lang. At Kuya John 5R, Kuya, sana okay ka lang. Kala mo naman talaga may patago. Ate, broken pa din ako sa hiwalayang Katniel. Baka need ko mag-Barcelona to recover. At Vera Girl, hindi ikaw si Celine. And you will never be Celine. Charot. Hard pass ulit doon, be. Wala nga budget. Ay, be, alam ko na. Ganto. Dumaan kasi ako sa 7-Eleven kanina. Tapos, nakita ko na meron silang Wish Upon a Cup promo. Oo, kaya depende sa size ng drink na bibilihin mo. It's either City Cafe, Gulp, or Prima Drink. Ito yung mga prices na mapapanalunan nyo. Flash ko na lang sa screen. Screenshot na lang tayo mga sis-Mars. Oo, eto. Ayan. Pero ako sa iyo, Ate Vera Girl, dito ka na sa malaki, dun sa large. Kasi ito yung may trip for 4 to Barcelona na price. Oo. Naku, madali lang sumali si Mars. After mo magbayad ng drink, scan mo lang yung QR code sa likod. Tapos, yun, pwede ka na mag-register. Follow mo lang yung prompt. And by the way, pag click app user ka naman, automatic 2 times yung entry mo dun sa promo. Oo. Pag hindi ka naman click app user, of course, isa lang. So, ano silbi nyo this Christmas, ate? Ako! Wala, be. Ganda-ganda lang. Char! Steven Bansit. May endo na kasi ako, be. Saka nagantay-antay lang ako ng 13th month. Kaya, ayun. Also, hi, Santa. You're back. Nagla-live kasi ako, boss. Sorry.
Ay, ewan ko ba dyan kay Maring Sinay? Ay, minsan lang ang sinuyo ni Paring Andres, idali-dali ring bumalik.
Mas marupaw pa sa basang cartoon.
Siyang tunay. Mga day, samahan niyo nga muna ako mag-toothbrush.
Why? What's the matter?
Di ba nga, sabi sa TV, brushing alone is not enough. Ano ba ganun aray si Manong Yule? Ang ibig sabihin, hindi sapat na ikaw mag-toothbrush laang. Kailangan mo ding mag-mouthwash. Ay, sos Ginoo. Bakit? Kayo ba mga mare, nagagawa niyo yan? Pero alam nyo, dahil napansin ko ba? Ngayong matanda na ako, iba na talaga ang bibig ko. Uy,
Yes, it's hideous.
yang sa'yo naman, pasmado. Kailan ka talaga? Hindi, Day. Ang ibig kong sabihin ba, hindi na siya tulad nung dati. Kasi sa probinsya namin dati, makakit-kit man ako ng mais. Uy, ngayon, Day, marupok na siya. Parang si Maring Sinay. Marupaw. Ako nga, Day. Napakasensitive ng aking ngipin. Ako'y kumakain lang ng ice cream nung isang araw. Abay, lasa ako'y nabaril sa bagang. Kain naman.
Which reminds me, I need to have my receding gums checked. It's receding at an alarming pace, like your husband's hairline.
Mag-iba talaga yung bibig mo pag natampal ko.
Oh, I'm just joking. But now that we are talking about it, and we are all aging, and we are now starting to notice mouth problems, is there really such a thing as mouth aging?
Ay, ano ka sa tingin niya?
Oh, look, it's Nelly.
Ah, yes. Did you know her husband, Armand, just got back on the Barco?
Yes, I heard he'll be away for the next 10 months.
10? Oh, Nelly, that sounds like an awfully lonely time.
Hey, I wouldn't be so sure about that. Well, I was just sweeping the front yard this morning, and Trissing was passing by, and we've had a little bit of a back and forth, and I've learned something.
Oh, Emeritus, do tell.
Let's get some tea.
Ganda-ganda ko today, oh. Lord, ngayon mo ipakilala sa akin ang destiny ko. Hinahamon kita. Grabe naman. Wala talaga, Lord. Zero. Ate, magkano tagpok ng patata?
Excuse me, miss. Tanong ko lang sana saan dito yung sakayan papuntang Lirat Street.
Tanggap ko naman, te, na tapos na. Pero di ko lang talaga maiwasang malungkot. Okay lang yan, te. Ako nga naalala nyo, noong 2020, yung sumabay yung breakup ko sa pagka-layoff ko sa work. Grabe talaga mental health ko nun, te. Hindi nga ako nag-therapy ng mga ganyan, di ba? Malulugmok, magumukmok, oo. Pero magiging okay ka din eventually. Pero siguro, te, what would help? Mag-leave ka muna, mag-travel ka. Ay, oo, te. Alam mo, ako, nung time na yon, wala akong ibang ginawa kundi mag-travel. Naku, titingnan mo yung IG highlights ko noong 2021. Gayahin mo yun, te, or gawin mo inspo. But remember, andito lang kami for you. Pasasaan ba't magiging okay ka din? Oo, te, magiging okay ka din. Tingnan mo ako, sinong mag-aakalang ikakasal na ako sa December?
So the bottom line is he's being summoned to the barangay tomorrow morning.
Deserve.
By the way, where are we going?
Iwan ko, Day. Nagsunod lang naman ako sa'yo.
To Batanes.
Balik face-to-face na din pala ang college ngayon, iho. Ano?
Opo na yun.
Ano bang kinukuha mo?
Business ad po.
Akala ko'y kulangot. Hey,
Hello there, dearest. What are you girls up to?
I am so busy. I have a lot of things going on as we speak.
All right then, well, I won't take so much of your time, but what is your sister doing? She's into doing one of those cringy TikTok dances again, is she?
Yeah, she's not feeling well.
Kaka TikTok niyan. I want you girls to visit me next week.
It's the generational gap for me. I mean, Ninang is being such a boomer. There's a lot of things that you can do on TikTok these days. Yeah. Hey, do you want us to bring anything?
Yes, bring me a rich businessman. Has to have a boat or a private jet.
I am shocked. Ninang has to stop this obsession over Pinay success stories.
If you can't do that, then just bring me the Ibo Hadana. That should be easier.
Yeah, that and her sarcasm.
I am just joking. I don't know, perhaps something I can cook for the Noche Buena. Clean my mansion or just some snacks.
Okay. We'll figure it out. Love you, bye.
Alright, bye-bye.
I'm not grocery shop. Relax. Did you know that Pure Gold have a TikTok shop now? And they offer affordable, curated baskets such as holiday must-haves, hygiene boosters, and snack attack. Best part is, they offer free shipping. Great. How did you know all about this? Kaka TikTok, Kuyan.